Good morning, friends. Welcome in online learning series. I am Awad BG. Today we shall discuss about chapter number 3, that is motion in a plane. We already discussed the concept of motion, the term related with motion, different types of motion, and graphical study of motion. Next, we discuss equation of motion for uniform acceleration. Second one, relative velocity. Third, projectile motion in details and equation of path of a projectile. Theta is the angle of projection. Now, the motion of a projectile is considered as a combination of two motions. One, motion along horizontal path with uniform velocity, and second one, motion along vertical path under the action of gravity with uniform acceleration. It means that the velocity is always constant along x direction and acceleration is always constant in y direction. Trajectory. Observe the figure. Here we have already discussed which is a trajectory here. The path OAQ is called as a trajectory. Means the path followed or shown by a projectile is called as a trajectory. Projectile is generally affected by air resistance, while the air resistance will be neglected here. Look at the figure carefully. Now here theta is given to you. Theta means angle of projection. How to make a definition of angle of projection? The angle made by the projectile with horizontal is called as the angle of projection. The next concept is the equation of path of projectile. Observe the figure. Now let us explain this concept with the help of figure. Now let us consider that a projectile is fired with velocity u and making an angle theta with the horizontal from point O on the ground. The velocity of projection of the projectile can be resolved into two components. One, ux is equal to u cos theta and uy is equal to u sin theta. See the figure. Suppose the object is at point O, means initial position of the object is at O. Now when this object is thrown in the air with velocity u, the velocity u is divided into two components. Ux is the component of u along x-axis, while uy is the component of u along y-axis. Here the projectile is neither moving along x-axis nor along y-axis, but it makes some angle theta with the horizontal axis. The body can be resolved into two components. Now x is the distance covered by the object along x-axis. Here r is the range of projectile. The body moving in the air with a constant acceleration along y-axis and constant velocity along x-axis. Now horizontal velocity of the component. U cos theta, which is equal to distance upon time. Now distance, let it be x, and time, let it be t. Therefore horizontal velocity is equal to distance upon time, which is equal to x upon t. Now therefore t is equal to x upon u cos theta. आता बघा मोशन अलॉंग व्हर्टिकल डिरेक्शन. एक लक्षात घ्यायचं आहे फिगरमध्ये, ज्यावेळेस बॉडी हवेत फेकलेली असते त्यावेळेस बॉडीला दोनही कंपोनंट असतात. थोडक्यात हॉरिझॉन्टल कंपोनंट असतो, त्याचप्रमाणे व्हर्टिकल कंपोनंट असतो. हॉरिझॉन्टल व्हेलॉसिटी असते, त्याचप्रमाणे व्हर्टिकल व्हेलॉसिटी असते. आता येथे आपण लक्षात घ्या, initial velocity u can be divided into two components. Ux is equal to u cos theta and uy is equal to u sin theta. आपण व्हर्टिकल डिस्प्लेसमेंट काढताना आपण सेकंड कायनेमॅटिकल इक्वेशन वापरतो. तर येथे व्हर्टिकल डिस्प्लेसमेंट is given by second kinematical equation, that is S is equal to ut plus half at square. But here काय असेल, u is equal to u y sin theta, a is equal to minus g, and s is equal to y. Y means vertical displacement. Therefore above equation काय असेल, y is equal to u sin theta t minus half gt square. परंतु आपण सुरुवातीला टाइमचं इक्वेशन काढलेले आहे. तर नाव वी नो टाइम t इज इक्वल टू, इन टर्म्स ऑफ मॅथमॅटिक्स मध्ये टाइम t इज इक्वल टू काय असेल, x अपॉन u cos theta. Substituting this value in this equation, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Therefore the above equation becomes y is equal to x tan theta minus half gx square upon u square cos square theta. Now this whole equation is called the equation of trajectory. Now the equation of trajectory depend upon number of factor. Here it is depend upon distance x. It is also depend upon angle of projection theta. It is also depend upon the value of g. It means the velocity of projectile along vertical direction decreasing due to the effect of gravity. Now see, above equation can be written as y is equal to ax minus bx square, where a and b are constant, and this equation is in the form of a parabola. Now means the equation of trajectory represents in the form of parabola. It means that when the body is thrown in the air, it is neither moving in horizontal direction nor in a vertical direction, and it makes some angle with the horizontal directions, and path of the projectile is a parabola.